guys, it's time for part 2 of how to create your own website. So the first time we came to the new Google Sites, we clicked the plus sign and made our website. So here's our website right here. So I'm going to open it again because I want to add some information to it. So it's going to reopen. Ideally, the Wi-Fi is faster. And there it is, just as I left it. So today, let's explore adding some text box and images to our home page here. Okay, so I'm going to click on text box and it automatically inserts it for us right there. So here I could give a little information about what this class is. This class is about robotics, so on and so forth. Clearly, I would give more information and have it thought out. But this is just for teaching sake. So if I wanted to make the text box smaller, I would take the little handle and do that, or bring it back, things like that. So very easy. Say right now it's at normal text, so you click that, you can make it big like a title. You can make it a heading. You can make it a subheading. Completely up to you, or just normal text. I think I'm going to do a heading, so it's a little bit bigger. You can decide what alignment you want. You want it in the left or in the middle, right or justified. You can even make it a link if you want to link it to a website. Or if you don't like it at all, you just click delete and it goes away. Very simple. Okay. All right, so that's inserting a text box. If I want to insert another one, I click it again and there's another one. So you can insert as many as you'd like. All right, now I want to add an image about my class. So I'm going to click on image. All right, again, you can choose it from a website. You can search Google for it. So if I typed in robotics, see what pops up. Okay. These are labeled for commercial reuse with modifications. You don't have to worry about copyright or anything. Okay. So if I liked any of those, but they don't, but oh, here's a first Lego robot that we will be using. You can get some from your albums if you've been making albums on Google, or just from your Google Drive. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to come to School Year Pictures and navigate to pictures from my class. So let's say robotics pictures. Here we go. So there are some pics of the kids doing different things. So let me insert it. Okay. Again, if you want to resize it, you take the handles and move them about and things like that. Also, if you want to move it, you see when I hover my mouse over it, it becomes a 4-pointed arrow, and you just click and move it, and you can resize and things like that. Okay, very, very simple. Again, if you don't like it, just click the undo button. Very simple. All right. This class is about robotics. So I've inserted text and a picture. Again, I can insert more text. I can insert more pictures. Let's do one of them building a robot. Things like that. Okay? All right. Embed, I would not worry about because that is embedding coding. So if you feel like you're that advanced, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, just ignore it. And then upload is another thing. So say you have a picture on your computer that you like to upload, then you would come to your computer and try to find it. So like here, there's our Growbot logo. And it's going to upload it right there. Very good. There it is. And I can move it to wherever I want it. And resize it just like every other picture. Okay? So we've inserted a text box, images, and we've uploaded an image. Okay? Now let's look at components here. All right, if you had two sections and you wanted to insert a divider, simple as that, it just inserts a little line there. Okay. Insert something from Google Drive. You click on Google Drive and insert things. Find something in your drive. I think I'm going to do a slideshow. So say you have a slideshow about basic procedures in your classroom. Come and find it and click on it and see what pops up. It says one item and then insert. So let's click insert. And it has now inserted the slideshow. And then when parents come to the site, they can click through it and see your procedures. Simple as that. Okay, and you can do that with practically all of your Google Drive files. All right, say you found a really cool math review site that you want your parents, math review video that you want your kids and parents to watch at home on YouTube. Well, you can insert a YouTube video. So, since it's a robotic site, let me type in First Lego League and see if I can find a YouTube video. All right, so here's the robot game. So if I wanted to review it, I would just click the little button and it'll give you a little preview to insert it. So, say I like that one. So I'm going to click select. And the great thing about Google Sites is it just keeps inserting it at the bottom. Okay. So, insert, insert, insert. All right. So that's it for this training. So now your homework is to insert some things onto your site that talk about your class. So please make sure to do that.